Hello family, welcome back to another
video.
I'm going to be showing you guys how we normally keep our hair growing, how we keep the hair from breakage and all that. So today we're going to be showing you guys our special combo. So guys, this is the combo we normally use. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make this amazing oil that you will apply to your hair and your hair will never stop growing. This particular one I have soaked for 6 months, so I'm going to be showing you guys real quick how I did that. But before we start, let's transfer this one into a clear bottle, applicator bottle, so you guys can see the color, how it has diffused over the moths. So now I'll show you guys the ingredients real quick, but before then, let's pour it out. Look at that, family. Did you see how it has diffused inside the oil? Now this is how the oil is looking after 6 months. So let's get right into the video. So family, to make this oil, you're gonna be needing aloe vera, you're gonna be needing rosemary. Then, but before we introduce the rest, let's get our chopping board. So let me remove that. Let's go ahead and cut out. Look at that. And then take out this part that is not needed. So we're done. We're going to take out this paper. Now what we're going to be doing is cutting this aloe vera into chunks. Aloe vera has vitamin A, B, C and E. Even has vitamin B12. And they are all essential vitamins for our hair and body. Aloe vera has antioxidants that help repair our dry hair, itchy scalp, reduce flakiness. Aloe vera infuses loss of moisture on our hair, preventing dryness, resulting to massive hair growth. Now we are done cutting. So now that we are done with that, we're going to go ahead and get a bowl, any bowl of your choice. Then put it in. Secondly, so now we are introducing our second ingredients, which is rosemary. What I'm going to be doing is just basically breaking it into two like that, and putting it inside the water so I can rinse it. You can use dry rosemary or use dry and fresh rosemary together. So rosemary is a very common herb which everyone is very much aware of. There's nobody that don't know about rosemary. Rosemary helps stimulate and improve circulation to our scalp, resulting in hair growth. It also contains antibacterials that help in hair cleansing. Also, it adds shine and moisture to our hair. So now we're just going to rinse this one out real quick, just the way I'm doing it now, and bring it out from the water and add it to the aloe vera. Don't forget, rosemary also helps to repair irritation of dry scalp, flakiness, and also help prevent dandruff. Next, we're going to be needing avocado oil. Avocado oil contains rich fat and is one of those light oil that aid in ease penetration and prevent buildup and hair damage. Avocado oil also contains some minerals, vitamins, and antioxidants that help keep our hair strong and healthy and reduce dandruff, prevent breakage, and detangles our hair perfectly and protect our hair from damage. It helps in hair growth. We're going to be needing half a cup of avocado oil, just like that. Next, we're going to be needing olive oil. We need half cup of olive oil. Olive oil helps replenish and restore your hair and add good moisture and shine to your hair, also preventing breakage and aid in hair growth. Next, we're going to be needing coconut oil. Coconut oil helps your hair grow longer, moisturizing your hair and reducing damage. For coconut oil, we're going to be needing a quarter of coconut oil. Get any jar or bottle of your choice. Get a spoon and give this a good mix. So now we're going to go ahead and transfer this into this jar. Now it's time to add our final ingredients, which is dry rosemary. This is half a quarter cup. Just put it like that. Make sure you get a spoon and push everything in. Just like that. Now that everything is all the way inside. After 2 months, 1 month, 2 months, just go and check it. You see that everything has already diffused. But since I already made one, I'm just going to leave it, abandon it there for 4 to 6 months, and you will see now. You see the outcome. Everything will be so thick and dark. Look at it. Everything has diffused. So, and also if you want to use this oil, just don't wash it out from your hair. After making your hair, you just want to rub it on your hair like that. All you need to do is get any essential oil or oil like this. Pour a bit of this like this in your hand. I'm not going to rinse it out. I'm not going to wash it out. I'm just going to massage it into my hair. This is another way I normally use it, just in case you don't like the smell. So now let me show you guys how we normally apply this oil to our hair. You can use this oil for pre-poo. You can use this oil for overnight hair treatment. You can apply this oil to your hair and go out with it. When you are applying it to your hair, when you want to go out, you can go ahead and add a few drops of peppermint oil, tea tree oil, and other essential oil like that, so just in case the smell is not friendly for you. That is how to use that is the best way to use this oil. So let's go ahead and apply it to our hair so you see. Thank you for watching. So we're just going to go ahead, section her hair like this. So that's enough clip, thank you. So just put some of the oil we showed you. You see our combo. Then go ahead, spray it on her scalp. I'm going to be giving her a good massage with it. Spray bottle is way better. Like, instead of all this shaking and all that. Apparently I can't find my spray bottle. When I go out again, I will buy. Hold it. See the way I did it. So just go like that in a circle. Give her a massage. So I'll just only use one to show you guys an example. So you spray at the tip like that. Go ahead, massage it into the tip. So once you're done with the tip, you're going to go ahead and start sectioning it like this. Section by section. This combo is not only just to grow your hair. You can see the way it works as detangler. Look at that. You can just easily detangle your hair. Spray it, spray. Take good care of the scalp. This will prevent inchiness from the scalp. So now that we have it in everything on her scalp, just go ahead and give it a circular massage so that everything can circulate with ease. When you are massaging your scalp like that, it stimulates the scalp, then increases blood flow, then result to hair growth. And the product will help to prevent breakage. Look at that shine. Gives shine, prevent breakage, also help in hair growth. Look at that. See the way my hand is gliding through. So now that we're done with that prepping, I'm just going to go ahead like this. You can put in a twist if you prefer twist, however you prefer it. So just like that. Just assume you don't have spray bottle or you don't have a bottle like this. Wow, look at that combo, guys. Just pour in your hand like that. Here you go, Jenny, hold it. Bend down a bit. Go like that. Just massage it in. If I'm using this on my hair, I prefer to do it in the morning. Then I'll wash it out at night before I go to bed. But you know my kids now, in the morning they're doing online school and all that, so she don't have time for that. That's why I'm prepping the hair right now at night. So hold it, bend down please. So you see, you section it and rub it. You must make sure it gets to the scalp and give the scalp a good massage. See the way it's fully detangled now? And I'm going to leave her hair wash routine in the description of those videos so you can check that out. Thank you so much for watching. Peace, we out. Yeah, this is the cap and this is how she's going to sleep, and she will wash it tomorrow.